How's it going, everybody? Martin with Belvoir Auto Spa. And today, it's just got an announcement video for those that don't know, maybe not be in the Facebook groups. But I'm planning on doing a big ceramic coating torture test in light of recent events we've been seeing going on some YouTube channels. So my test, we're just going to be fair and impartial to everything. So there's not going to be really any room for bias in the test. Now, I may have my biases towards brands, other people may as well. But this test isn't gonna. You're gonna see there's no room for that. If you've seen my torture test before, you know that they're just everything is what you see. There's no tricks, no gimmicks, anything like that. Now with this torture test, it's gonna differ from my normal torture test because these are coatings, so we're gonna hit them with just about every cleaning chemical I've got available. Here are just some of the coatings that are gonna be in the test. So, and also, full disclosure here, I do have affiliate brand deals with some of these companies where, they have a discount code, or if I refer people, I get a cut of that, which helps the channel, as well as Detailed Image. And Detailed Image didn't send me anything, but I mean, I can link anything to Detailed Image and give you guys a discount code. It's going to be in the description below as well, and they give me store credit for it so I can buy stuff, but, it's not going to skew the results is all I'm saying. So a lot of these I purchased. A lot of these were given to me for free. And I'm going to go over what I have and what's coming. So I'm going to say what's coming. What I know is coming is somebody's going to be sending me some Underdog products. I don't think he works for Underdog directly. He just wants to see it in the test. So I'm going to get some Underdog products. I believe Underdog and Underdog Pro, and maybe their marine coating. Stark Yacht Care. They're a marine company. They're going to be sending me some stuff, they said. Who's the next one? SkyMax Pro. He said he wants to send me some stuff as well. So that's going to be coming. I've been talking with Fine Lab. Communication with them has been trickling. It's not steady communication, but they said they're interested, but I don't think they're trying to get a gauge of what the test is going to be like, which I'm like, just watch the YouTube channel. You can see what my tests are like. And there's Black Rhino. Black Rhino sent some stuff as well. So Black Rhino is going to be sending some products as well. And, some of them, they send me stuff to put in the test, and they're also sending me some other stuff just to test out brands. They like to see what, people think, especially someone who likes to really explore what things are capable of. Up here, all these CarPro products I purchased. I do have an affiliate brand deal with CarPro, with CarPro US, mainly Ethos Car Care. Right now, their discount codes, they took those down. So my discount code doesn't work, but still, if I refer people, which, I mean, it's not much, but whatever. But I bought D-Quartz Go myself, I bought C-Quartz SIC, and I bought C-Quartz UK 3.0. These two have been opened, but I'm still going to use them. There's no sign of curing in the bottle, so they should be good to go. D-Quartz Go is still unopened. As you can see, I haven't even broken the seal yet. We got Ryan West Industries. Now, in the past, everyone knows I've got a deal with Ryan West Industries, a discount code, as well as I sell their products wholesale. I don't work for the company directly though, but that's just I'm probably more involved with them than any other of the brands here. Ryan West Industries. In the past, he has sent me the coatings for free. However, in use, I used those up, so I had to buy more. So these two I did purchase. They are opened. He did say as long as they have not started curing in the bottle, they should be good. And also, coatings like these four right here that are multi-layer coatings, I'll be doing 2 layers of. So if the company calls for multiple layers, we're going to do multiple layers. Now, D-Quartz Go, CarPro says a second layer is not necessary, so we're only do 1 layer of that. Cerakote, this was sent for free, but not to me specifically. Cerakote's been sending this product out to everyone that requests it, essentially. There's been some interesting things we've been seeing with Cerakote. However, I will say, if you were to buy it, you get for $60, you get 2 30 milliliter bottles. So that's pretty cheap. Probably the cheapest product here out of all of them. So we'll see how the performance is in a torture test. Armor Detail Supply. Now, in the past, they did send me quartz, and I bought a Quartz Pro, and I was going to use those. And then Bradley said, "Hey, let me just send you 2 new bottles. I just want full capability of our products in your test." So they sent me these 2 bottles for free. That's another brand I've got an affiliate deal with. But I've been pretty open and transparent again about things with that company. So I'm not, I'm one to definitely criticize. Every one of these brands has seen criticism from me. So no bias here. Now, okay, maybe I am biased to their brand a little bit because I do really like it, but I'm not. The test is still going to be unbiased. Okay. DIY detail. They're 3, 5, and 8 year coating. They did send these to me for free. I didn't pay for any of these. They've all been opened. They are used, but their coatings are pricey, so I'm not buying any more coatings for this. I bought D-Quartz Go for my personal use, or for my professional use, I should say. But since it's here, I'm going to use it. DIY detail. They all still have stuff left in them, but now because the bottles are black metal, it's hard to see the status of them. But you know, with C-Quartz I've had for probably close to a year now, honestly. I'm sure DIY is fine, but I am, these are just disclosures just to know I'm using some of these bottles have been opened. So if we see the coatings fail early, maybe it's because they've been opened. I don't think that's going to be the case, but we're going to see. And then over here, we've got, these are from Ethos Car Care. Now, Ethos, I just recently started an affiliate deal with, like within the last week. I've been testing their products for a long time. Most of them I've purchased. But lately, Tim over at Ethos has liked the videos I've done, so he's just been sending me some stuff to test out because he likes the feedback that he sees in the tests. And if you saw one of my recent videos, their glass coating I really liked, and then they have a ceramic glass cleaner. That one I wasn't too big on, but again, I still give that feedback. He appreciated it. He said there'd probably be improvements in the future, yada yada yada. But that's just showing, even if they send me stuff for free, they're not free of criticism. So what they sent me, he sent it in unlabeled bottles, probably cheaper than taking stuff, because I'm sure the stuff that's already bottled is already boxed up, so save them on some material costs. So I don't know if these are available for sale yet. I know the line of the product. So we got this is the Graphene Max coating version 2. This is their Easy Peasy Plus coating. This is their ceramic coating version 2. I don't know if the version 2s are available for sale yet, or the Easy Peasy Plus. That may be why they're in unlabeled bottles, because they haven't had a label made up for them yet. But this is going to give him good feedback. It's going to give you all good feedback. Now I know, again, we've been seeing a lot of stuff from various YouTube channels about torture tests and real world tests. So for real world tests, I don't have a fleet of vehicles to give you a true real world test. I know Eddie Cologne's doing one on his Tesla. However, with these tests, right, if you apply to different panels of the car get exposed to different degrees of abuse, I guess you could say. So like the rear of the car, the behind the wheel wells see more than the hood or the roof might. So those tests, they may be real world, but it's not a fair comparison. You'd have to basically take a bunch of vehicles and apply one coating to each vehicle. But then again, they're not all going to be driven in the same conditions. I live in Texas. Not everybody lives in Texas, so my results here may be different from yours. So in my opinion, torture tests are, they are entertaining. That's one reason why I do them. People like to see it. But they do give you good information. So this is something Jimbo said, infotainment, right? It's kind of both. I say my torture tests, they serve as a baseline. They don't tell you everything you need to know about the product. They do tell you how durable you can expect the product to be, okay? So if something can hold up to the abuse of a bunch of chemicals I'm throwing at it, it's probably going to be fine on your car. Something can't hold up to that abuse, it may still be fine on your car. But again, this is just a baseline test. So I'm going to wait for those other products to be sent out. Now, if you have products you want to include in this test, whether you represent the brand or not, you're just a consumer or a professional that happens to have the stuff in your inventory and you're like, hey, I'd like to see that, get in touch with me. I'm going to put my business email down below, bell.lavoro@yahoo.com. Shoot me an email. If you got me on Facebook, send me a message, post in my group, however you need to get in contact with me to send the products out. I am open to testing pretty much anything that is a ceramic coating. I plan on starting this test mid-January, and it's the holidays right now, so I'm going to give people some time to get things sent out and get things processed through shipping. But mid-January is when I plan on starting this test. I am going to record the application. I plan on keeping the applicators. I'm going to write what each coating is on the applicator so we can check the hardness out afterwards, after it cures in the applicator. They're going to cure for 1 week, and then we're going to record the torture test. And if you got any other ideas, comment down below what you'd like to see. Because I could probably make a series of videos out of this, honestly. But this is what we got for now. We've got more coming. Hopefully we can get even more. That'll be awesome. Thank you to all the brands that have sent me stuff to test out. And thank you to those guys that are sending the stuff out right now. I greatly appreciate it. That's all I got for this video. I will see you all in the next one. Other than that, keep them clean. Have a good one.